every girl would envy. That what you gave me was only meant for me. So please, my love,